How to create product variants in Shopify. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to create product variants in Shopify. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your laptop, PC, or Mac, and then make sure you log in to myshopify.com. And make sure you add /admin. Once you're here, you're going to click on products on the left side. Once you're here, you are now going to add your products by clicking on this button over here. Now wait for the website to finish loading. This will take a few seconds, so just wait for it. I'll be here waiting as well, don't worry. In here, we are going to scroll down. And then on the variants, we can now add options like size or color. Just click on the plus sign. In here, the option name could be size, color, material, or style. In the option values, it could be large, medium, or small. Depending on what variants you have available in your product, make sure the spelling's correct as well. Or you can also have it as a color. In the option values, you can type in your very own colors. Once you're satisfied, click on done. And then in here, in the variant section once again, you can add another option. This time, it could be color or material. In here, let's start with color. As an option value, I can type in black and then add another value as well. In this case, it could be red or any colors that your variant or product is available. Once you're satisfied, click on done. And that's it. Hopefully you got some value in this one, and thanks for watching the video. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe. And while you're at it, leave a comment as well. And as always, I'll see you on the next video.